Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making cardamom butter crescents. What are those? This is a cookie that's going to be shaped like a crescent. It's going to last for 3 weeks in an airtight container. Yes, it will. It has very few ingredients. It's got powdered sugar, egg whites, and flour. So it sort of is like making an angel food cake, but like a cookie. These are going to be great, and the cardamom is going to infuse this floral sugar / peppery flavor to it, which is going to be great. So let's get to it after I was inspired by this song. We're baking with cardamom, floral, sweet, and pepper. We're baking with cardamom. There's butter in there too. We're baking with cardamom, a great ingredient helper. You'll taste it through and through. This will be true. It's all for you. Well, it's for me too. First things first, this thing goes quickly. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. All-purpose flour, add in your cardamom, salt, whisk together, butter, sugar. Beat gently until just combined. Add egg white, beat until just combined. Add in your flour mixture, mix until just combined. Lightly flour your surface, put your cookie dough on it. I'm going to divide this into 8 equal pieces, best you can. Roll your piece into 3/4 of an inch log. Okay, then what you're going to want to do is to cut a 3-inch piece off of it. Just about there. And then what you're going to do is roll the ends. Make this sort of into a crescent shape here. It'll turn out just fine. I'm not worried about it. Move it over to your cookie sheet. Take one of your almond slices and press it into the top of the cookie. Bake for 10 to 14 minutes until they're a light golden brown. Note, there's no baking powder or baking soda in this recipe, so you can put them close together. Time's up, let's take them out. They smell great. Let them cool on the cookie sheets, and then we're going to dust them with some confectioner sugar. Now that the cookies have cooled, let's dust them with some confectioner sugar. Admittedly, the shapes are not perfect crescents, but you know what? That's okay. They're close enough and they still look pretty good. And you know what? Confectioner's sugar can cover a lot of things. So they still look great. It's got that almond there. It's covered in the sugar in the center. Let's take a bite because it's all in the taste. This is a great tasting light butter cookie. Remember, it's got no egg yolks in here, also no baking soda, no baking powder, none of that. So it's pretty simple, and it's just got the butter and the sugar and the egg whites, and that cardamom comes through. It definitely adds a interesting flavor to it, a little floury, a little peppery. So it makes for a very interesting cookie. You could have this as a tea cookie, so along with tea or coffee, or have it by itself as a midnight snack. Either way, I think you're really going to enjoy these, and because they have so few ingredients in them, they will stay good in an airtight container for up to 3 weeks. I can make these cardamom butter crescent cookies for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way. You can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, keep those recipe requests coming, and don't forget to share and check me out on Instagram for so much more.